Alright everybody, so this is our daily agenda for March 25th, Thursday. So for today, additional reminders, today is that ASB meeting, so if you guys want to attend, make sure you are attending, and grades have been updating. For your due now today, you are going to go ahead and continue to the Write and Reflect. It's in Google Classroom under Gate Showcase. Today's question is, now your projects are taking shape, write and reflect on your biggest question for your interviewee, the person you're interviewing. What is that biggest question you want to ask them? What's the most important thing you really want to ask them? So just think a little bit about that question. And then you guys are going to go ahead and work on some of the things that we have assigned you guys. So if you're still holding on to your Origins of Writing System, any of this from Unit 2 and Unit 3, go ahead and turn that in. Remember, Unit 1 is closed, so this is what you guys will be working on for the most part. I want to also let you guys know that in our Google Classroom, Ms. Arroyo might go over it, but I want to show you guys just in case you guys might be touching on your GATE Symposium work on getting started. So I want you guys to know that you guys will be going through this, so I'm just going to read it through so you guys are familiar. So you guys are going to start setting up your interviews. You guys might want to start setting them up this weekend. It might be a good time. Make sure you have enough time so both you are not rushed during this interview and the person you meet with is in a quiet area where there are few to no noise distractions. Communicate with the person in advance, even if they're family. This is so important, ladies and gentlemen. Do not just assume that your mom will be there. Just let them know. Be direct. Step 2. Choose the app or platform you will use to record the interview. Are you doing this on a smartphone, an iPad, a Chromebook? You need to know where you're doing it. Once you have recorded it, try recording something simple, save it to Google Drive. If you can do this, you guys are golden. So practice recording yourselves. Try your voice memo if you have an iPhone. Try the voice recorder if you have an Android voice recorder or smart voice recorder. Take it out on your phone to record yourself and try and save it to your Google Drive. If you can do that, again, ladies and gentlemen, chef's kiss, you've got this. Using your Chromebook to record, these are a few helpful articles, reminders on how to record. You have a 7-minute limit. Just hold these in mind. So those are the audio recordings. You can also do a video if you would like. Completely optional, ladies and gentlemen. We're only recording the sound, but if you want to record yourself, that's okay. Sometimes it might just be better for your phone and then record it to YouTube and you can send us the published link. That is up to you, ladies and gentlemen. You can do that as well. Okay, step 3. Record the interview. Whatever app or platform you're using, record it. Speak closely to the microphone as possible, no matter what type of a device you're using. So I'm trying to get as close as I can to my mic. You might be able to hear the difference from here versus hearing the difference all the way from here. You might consider viewing a few tests with the person you're interviewing before just getting started. This will let you know if you need to adjust your volume or sit closer to them too. Check the audio recording before you're done, ladies and gentlemen. Just play it back. It might have glitched, you might have cut it out too soon, the battery might have died. Just save yourself the headache and check it. Alright. Upload that audio file to your Google Drive. You can email the file to your SAUSD Learns email address, so you just email it to yourself, or upload the file directly to Google Drive. If you have the Google Drive app on your phone, you should have it on your Chromebook, so you should be able to download it or upload it to your drive. So it just depends on how you did it. And then you need to insert the audio file or video file into your Google Slides presentation. Your audio file will need to be inserted into your Google Slides final presentation. Ms. Arroyo will show you guys a little bit more about that. So here's a super helpful video from Ms. Sala. She was awesome and she created this. If you're creating an audio file only, follow this. If you're creating a YouTube video, follow this. So audio, YouTube, audio, YouTube. All right. Now go. Go forth and complete your interviews and do amazing work, ladies and gentlemen. I have total faith in you guys, and I will completely miss you guys for the next couple days. But I'll see you guys soon in class. As always, you can ask Ms. Arroyo for questions for the moment or Ms. Reyes. I'll see you guys then.